Hey, what's up, guys? Sam here, back at it again with another enchantment video. So for today, what we are going to enchant is the Dragonheart Sword, the newest sword in Blox Fruit. As you can see, we still have 10 mythical scrolls from the 7-day Levi grind. We can craft two more. That is a total of 12. So 1,500 per tree. So that is 6,000 Robux saved. So without further ado, let's start enchanting. TP to the TK outpost and go to this tower right here to talk to Uzot. First enchantment. We have Unbreakable as of the moment on the Dragonheart, but that is a no-no. We would need to have a blessing or a curse for this. So let's start rolling. Agile 1, Beast 1, Elemental 1, Natural level 3, Piercing 2, Sharp 1, Rage. Mm, that is a no-no. Let's do another. Deadly 2, Efficient, Elemental, Vampiric. Oh! Really? Just two mythical scrolls. We've got the Storm Blessing right away. Let's review what is the other things. We have Deadly level 2, Efficient level 1, Elemental level 3, Vampiric. Hmm. Scale Fan Travel. That's actually good for raids, but I think for PvP it sucks. But the goal is to get enchantment on it, so I think it is good enough for me. I guess next one is going to be the true triple katana. We don't have anything right now here, and except strong grip, so we are going to reroll true triple katana right now as well. Efficient 4, elemental 3. Bro, that is not enough. Agile 1, cooldown, efficient, natural, piercing, siphon. Cooldown 6, same start. Strong grip again. Hmm. Deadly, efficient, natural, sharp, shooter. Oh. Thought there will be one more. Throw triple katana. One more. No. Nah, bro.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that
Max.
really want
One
it.
more.
I'm the only one that's really got it. I'm just being honest.
Damage.
I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist.
Decrease.
And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that
Piercing
I'ma make it
4
one with the
max.
hardest. Cause I
That
promise you
is
that I'ma make
actually
it
a
start.
good one.
And I promise you
But
all of my
we
skills,
have
I
two
ain't never
more
gonna be like
rerolls
can't be like
left.
nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup.
Skills have no cost. Oh my god. Through triple katana. One more. Ah, still strong grip. Let's scrap for two more. we can actually get three more. Ah, the lock on two triple katana is super low right now. Strong grip. Last one. Well, that's fine. We've got Storm Blessing on Dragonheart. I think I can craft a more legendary scrolls as well. So how many? Just one. Last last enchantment on True Triple Katana. That's it. Nah, it's a scam, bro. But yeah, that's fine. We have a Storm Blessing on our Dragonheart. Dragonheart sword. Just look at that. Let's go out of here. Just look at that. We have lightning VFX on a fiery sword. Let's go. Storm blessing, but a blessing is a blessing, right? Because we can we are not spending any Robux on this account, so a blessing is a blessing. Testing combos on Dragonheart. So Dragonheart X, pull them back, Z, look back, Z, and the X. Let's go. But as you can see, I'm not that happy to get this storm blessing, but a blessing is a blessing again. So again, the combo goes like this. C, C, go back, X. Mm. You can look backwards, but it's fine for me. So again, best combo for this is this, pull them back, Z, and then Z, and then X. Let's go! So thank you for watching, guys. For more videos, please like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna grind Levi for another 7 days to get more scrolls for more enchantments on my swords. And thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Peace. We casually got a Yeti from what do you call this? I made the outro already after showcasing the combo on Dragonheart. But the thing is, we have a pirate trade, and what we got is a Yeti, bro. A freaking Yeti. Well, our luck is on our side today. So again, thank you for thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for my luck to be passed on you guys. Like and subscribe. Peace.